Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to add a payment method on Domino's Pizza. Open the website dominos.com, then click on the option that says Sign in and earn rewards. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Pizza Profile. On this tab, you will see a section for profile settings. On its lower right side, you will see an option for Edit. Click on Edit. Here, you will see a section for credit card information. On its lower right side, you will see an Add Card button. Click on Add Card. Now, enter all the required information. After entering, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. Then click on Save Card. And now your card has been added. That's how you add a payment method on Domino's Pizza. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.